Viral Science, the home of creativity.
This giveaway contest consists of 6 kits that to be given away. The first 3 kits are about the LED cube and next 3 kits are about the smart car chassis kit. So friends, I am using this YouTube random comment picker website to generate our winners. So here is the list of the prizes which I am going to give away. So I am pasting the link of the giveaway video here and I am checking this button to filter the duplicate comments. So the persons who have commented more than one time will be rejected. So let's pick our first winner. So he is A&S Creative Workshop. Let's see he has subscribed to our channel or not. Yes, here it is. So let's copy and paste his name. And also the link of this channel. So now we have got the first winner of the LED cube. So let's find the second winner. So here we get the second, Danish. So let's check he has subscribed to our channel or not. Yes, here is our channel. So let's copy the name and copy the link of his channel. Now we'll pick the third winner of the LED cube. So let's use the same process. So here is the third winner, that is Poonam Tiwary. So let's check. Yes, she has subscribed to our channel. So let's copy and paste the URL and the channel name. Similarly, I have selected all the winners of our giveaway contest. So here is the final list. You can see everyone is listed here with the channel link. First is AS Creative Workshop, second is Danish, third is Poonam Tiwary, fourth is Mansi Singh, fifth is Soham CoolBro, and sixth is Jahanvi Shah. So here are their channels. See, they have subscribed to us. So now I will show you how winners can contact me to share their details. First, search my channel Viral Science and go to the About section of my channel. Then click on Send Message option. Here you will type your name, address and contact details. And also share your email address or your Facebook ID link. And don't forget to mention your PIN code with the address. Winners should send me messages with the same ID they have commented on my video, as I have noted their channel URL, so I can check who is the real winner and who is sending me message with the fake IDs. So congratulations to all the winners and special thanks to the viewers and all the participants for participating in this contest. Soon I will be back with another giveaway contest. Till then, stay tuned.
Do subscribe my channel Viral Science and click on bell button so you don't miss any videos.